Assalamu alaikum. Nyan Tacho Gobrio. I see chapter geography on our country, chapter number 7. Yarmanchi question karvid saluk thomit karet. Which is question number 8. Answer the following questions briefly. Name the major physical divisions of India. Answer Muksho. The Himalayas, Northern Plains, the Deccan Peninsula, coastal plains, groups of islands. Question B part. India shares its land boundaries with 7 countries. Name them. You now one. Sukus Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Afghanistan. C part. Which 2 major rivers fall into Arabian Sea? Answer: the Narmada and the Tapi. D part. Name the delta formed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Answer: Sundarbans. E part. How many states and union territories are there in India? Which states have common capital? Answer: 28 states and 9 union territories. Punjab and Haryana have a joint capital. F part. Why do a large number of people live in the northern plains? Answer: because this fertile plain is agriculturally productive. G part. Why is Lakshadweep known as the Coral Island? Answer: because the land is made up of corals. So, agree? The question. Question. The jawab certain lafzan mans. The yim kajo pani copy pet to darij to pat karu get a canon. Ya the buggy which is buggy ka ice atmans. How inshallah Rahman is ayan bashate ki zindagi. Baki shukriya witness.